Thunderstorm. On the soft rain, it's Darren. Can we have the sound of the rain, Darren? Make sure you space there, John. Yeah. Thank you, Darren. On the wind, we have Hannah, Deirdre, and Liz. Can we have the sound of the wind? Lizzie? Thank you, Liz and Hannah and Deirdre. As Mr. and Mrs. William McCarthy having afternoon tea in their garden, we've got William and Sharon. On the thunder, we have Lucia and Sandra and Rita and William. Can you give us a David? Thank you. Thank you. On the lightning, we have Terry and Shane. Christine, can you give us a sample of that? Thank you so much, Christine. Mr. and Mrs. William McCarthy lived in a big house with a big garden in Montenotte.
The people are that.
Where the people are dotty, says William, but in a nice way, we say. And they had lots of money and a big garden, and the sun was shining, and they decided to have afternoon tea in their garden and admire the flowers. And William said to his darling wife,
Tea.
yeah. So he poured the tea, of course pouring for his wife first. He was a real gentleman. Sharon said to her darling husband, "Me, would you like some milk?" Sorry, Sharon. And so she pouring her for herself first, which is proper order. And then William said to his darling wife, "No, because I'm sweet enough already," said Sharon. And so they drank their tea. William, you drank your tea. And you started chatting about this and that. And they were drinking their tea when suddenly William felt a drop of rain on his head. Darren is the soft rain, not Christine yet. So we had the rain. And keep the rain going there for me, Darren. And William said to his darling wife, yeah, and so they went into the house. And then there was stronger rain. And there was wind. to his darling wife. And so they went out walking in their garden. The sun shone and they had a wonderful day. The end of the thunderstorm.